Hey guys, just wanted to do a final review of the ABEC 11 Evolve 107mm. This is a 74A durometer. It has got super wide tires. So I had the ABEC 11 97mm before, and the reason why I upgraded to this is so I could carve better on this type of road. It's not super smooth, but it's just like door kind of road. So I got these, and they are definitely more comfortable than the 97mm, but I lost so much range before. With the 97mm, I got 14 kilometers on a Lipo 5S 5000 milliamp hour battery. With these, I only get 10 kilometers, so I lost almost 40% of my range. The reason is that it's super wide. The 97mm is maybe like little bit, maybe like 2/3 of this, so you get a ton more grip. As far as comfort level, it is a little bit more comfortable, and you can go over a little bit higher bumps and whatnot, but I would say they're a little bit too big for the range, because you sacrifice so much range. But definitely the grip is there. But I feel like I'm gonna go back to the 97mm. It's a lot heavier also, and I think the sweet spot that I'm looking for with comfort and grip is actually rubber. So when I get back to the States, I'm gonna go ahead and upgrade it to some rubber wheels. And I've also ordered a board that has rubber wheels, the Team G H20T. So yeah, it's a good wheel. It's very grippy. If you don't want to go rubber, but you want to go as big as possible, I think this is pretty good. I mean, there's also TB110. I haven't tried that, but this is super wide. Check out how wide it is. But the wideness doesn't necessarily, I think it's a good thing, because you lose a ton of range because you have so much more grip. So I feel like on a small board like this, maybe not ideal because of the range, but on bigger longboards with bigger batteries, I would definitely recommend it. But I don't know, I feel like for this type of city, like in Korea, you get a lot of flat roads, and you have a lot of these type of roads where it's sort of bumpy ride. So yeah, I don't know, I'm just sort of mixed here. But for the short board I got here, I'd rather go back to the 97mm for the range, and also it's a lot lighter with those. So I'm just pointing out, but very nice wheels. You can fit this. You can use the same pulley that comes with smaller wheels, which is nice. I didn't have to switch out anything other than the wheels, so they're very easy to install, very nicely made, also very soft, right? But like I said, I just can't. It's very expensive. It's almost, I paid like 160, 170 bucks. I feel like the wheels are, a ton more expensive. I think the 97mm is only like 100 bucks. So considering price, range and stuff, for smaller boards, I would not recommend it. Especially if you're using smaller motors, then you're gonna lose hella torque. I didn't lose a lot of torque with this one, because I'm using a pretty decent 6354 motor. If you have a 6-ring motor, you should be fine. So yeah, just wanted to point out some of the differences. But I really love the wheels. I might put it on one of my bigger longboards, but shorter boards like this, I don't know, I think it's a little bit overkill for the loss of range. Now if I had a bigger battery pack, I would just keep it on there. But then that's kind of sort of beats the purpose of having a travel board. This is my travel board, by the way. So yeah, if you want to check out some of the rides I did with this, just search up Han River Dr. E skateboard, and there's a bunch of videos. All the videos I've made in the last few videos, they're all with these wheels. You'll notice. And then if you go back, you'll notice the first one I did in Korea was with the 97mm. Anyway, that's my full review of the ABEC 11 107mm. I love these wheels, but I feel like they're sort of overpriced for what you can get with that. You can probably get rubber wheels, much bigger. I think the 103mm or 105mm rubber wheels might be a better setup. It's going to be a lot more flexier, and you're gonna be able to get that comfort level and also that nice grip. This one's still urethane, so I don't know, something to think about. Just want to put this out there. Have a great day. Dr. E signing out.